So here I have got the explanation of the previous questions which I have given to you. So the question says that write a program to convert a lower case to a uppercase or a uppercase to the lower case in a sentence taken from the user. So like for example, you are taking a sentence and the sentence is written in like in this format I, and it is written M, okay, I am a, and it is written BOY. So here I is in small letter, AM is written in small letter, A is capital, B is capital, but O and Y are in small letter. So the output whatever you are going to get will be I am a. Got it? So all the small letters will be converted into a capital letter, and all the capital letters will be converted into the small letters. Yeah, like A is converted into a small letter B. So how this happens? So let's like check the program first. Import java.util, as I have said, all it is a package and we have to write it down because we are using scanner out here. Okay, so class change case, you can write anything out here. After that, opening the curly bracket, public static void main string arguments, then we are creating a scanner class out here. Scanner sc, this sc can be anything. You can write ny, xy, anything out here, okay, because it's an object. Scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in. After that we are going to declare int aip. So why we are declaring this, you'll come to know, like, well, I'm going to explain you the program. After that you are going to create a string st. So this st is a string which you are going to take it from the keyboard, means the sentence, you want the sentence to be taken from the keyboard, so that is why we are declaring out here string st. Okay, and this new one more string we have declared, that is stx or st, anything, any name you can give it to this. Okay, and we have kept it as a blank because we want the converted string to be stored in this one. ओके जो बदला जाएगा, जो स्ट्रिंग स्मॉल लेटर से कैपिटल लेटर होगा, उसको हम लोग कहाँ स्टोर करेंगे, STX में स्टोर करेंगे. इसलिए हम यहाँ पर ब्लैंक छोड़ दिया गया है. क्यों यहाँ डबल कोटेशन दिया है, बिकॉज दिस इज अ स्ट्रिंग. नेक्स्ट वी आर डिक्लेयरिंग वन कैरेक्टर, दैट इज CHAR कैरेक्टर CH एंड दूसरा CH1. सो व्हाट आर द यूजेस, यू विल कम टू नो इन दिस प्रोग्राम. सो लेट्स सी. राइट अ प्रोग्राम मीन्स system.out.println enter your sentence. So here we are entering a sentence. So how we are going to enter the sentence, since this is the string through which you can take the sentence, so it becomes st equals to sc dot next line. So to take the input we use this syntax out here. This is the syntax to use the input, like we write in dot next int to get the integer value or whole numbers. So after that we are using a p out here. Int p equals to find the length of that string. So st dot length, that means this st is, for example, this is the st, welcome to school, this is the st, means the string you have taken from the keyboard. Now this we are finding the length, and the length is stored in p out here. Okay, again we are using a loop out here. Now for a equals to 0, a less than equals to p, and a plus plus. Okay, this is the looping. So why it is written p out here, because we want our loop to start with 0 and the last position. So here if we are taking the example of this one from the book, we have taken an example. This is welcome, this is in small letter, and we are writing it down TO, and we are writing it down SCHOOL. So from the first only we are going to count the number of string out here. So this is 0, we'll count it from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the space is also counted, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So we have got how much, 17. So the value of p is how much, 17. Okay, so we have started a loop out here, and the loop says that for a equals to 0, a less than 17 and a plus plus. So since then when the loop moves, we will assume that this is the 0th position, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16. Okay, 16. So here it is 17, but how it is 16 out here? Because we are counting it from 0, so that's why it is 16. So we need to count it from 0 only. Okay, because 0 is also counted, so that is why it is 17 out. The length is 17. Now we'll start with here 0. For a equals to 0, a less than equals to 17. So we'll start with 0. So 0, what is out here? We have got a capital letter W. So it is going to check out here according to this one. So the character at the 0 position, is what? W. So this W is going to be stored in, it is written out here, CHR is equals to st.char at 0. So that means what is in the 0 position? We have got W out. So the W is going to store in CHR. So now CHR equals to what? W, which is what? Capital W. So again, next we are going to check it if CHR is greater than equals to small letter and it is less than equals to Z. So here these are the ASCII values. Okay, from small letter Z to capital letter Z, it is checking out here. Either it is small letter or not. Is it a small letter? No, it is a capital letter. So that means what happens out here? If this happens, if it is a small letter, it will convert it into the capital letter. So to convert it, what you are going to do is CHR1, as we have declared it out here, CHR1. Now then CHR1 equals to character dot to uppercase. Okay, so this is a small letter or it's a capital letter. You want to convert this into a small letter. Okay, so what happens out here? Now this is be converted into a small letter, but since it is not a capital letter, it will not be converted into a, so sorry, it is, so if the character is small, it is converted into a capital letter, and if it is in the C, similarly it is done out here. Now if the character is in small letter A to Z, that is A small letter, B small letter, what happens out here? This character will be stored in CH. Now the CH will be converted into what? The CH will be converted into the uppercase if it is a small letter. If it is a capital letter, else it will be converted into the small letter out here, since it is written out here else. And whatever is converted will be stored in STX. Now first W is a capital letter, it is converted into small letter, it is converted into, it is added into STX. Next time also, if it is a small letter, it will be converted into a, if it is if it is a capital letter out here, it will be converted into a small letter and be stored in again STX. Finally what you have to print? You have to print the STX, that is the new converted version. So you are going to get like this. This will be the output. All the capital letters are going to be the small letter and all the small letters are going to be the capital letter. This is the program. So if you have got any doubt out here, so please let me know. Okay.